Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. At number 11 on the top 52 creative leaders list is Satya Nadella of Microsoft. And he's on this list for developing Microsoft's cloud computing infrastructure.
There is a new commercial opportunity that's getting unlocked. It's the mixed reality cloud. It's bridging of business process and any application across the boundaries of what's virtual and what's physical. Just to give you an example of this, take a retailer. Netuzzi is an iconic Italian furniture maker. They worked with a partner building out a new store in Manhattan, which is a mixed reality store. So you walk into that store, you put on a HoloLens or bring up your phone, and you have an infinite catalog, right? You're not limited. In fact, the store format here is much smaller than their traditional stores, but they're now seeing 30% more sales in those stores because you now have the ability to walk into the store, put on a HoloLens, see all of the catalog, build your space, that is, all the furniture assembled the way you want it. Now, here's the interesting part. You can take the space you built home and see it at home using your phone, or because of Azure Spatial Anchors, you can bring your home into the store because you're not bound by space anymore. And that's what the cloud enables. Think of that. Think about all of the business processes that will bridge what is physical, what is virtual, that is going to transcend space. That's the commercial opportunity. That's the business applications opportunity. And we are leading the way here. What's going to happen next and the day after is what you have to anticipate. So what has happened in the past is just the past. We built operating systems all our life. What is an operating system? In a world where every person is going to use multiple devices in their life, they're going to collaborate with many people in their family or at work. What does it even mean to build a platform? We had to confront. I mean, we are the Windows company after all.
Right.
And so to be able to say, well, Windows and multi-device experiences are not at odds. In fact, let's make every Windows application a multi-device application is something we're going to talk a lot about.
Right.
What's the best professional advice you've ever been given?
Believe in yourself more so than you think you do. I am Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. All right.
Xbox, Microsoft 365, Bing. Microsoft's been doing software for years. That's how Bill Gates made his money. But I tell you what, when he rethought it and said, you know what, the cloud is the next big thing. And that's a top creative leadership trait. I'm telling you, it's rethinking the future and knowing what's coming next. That's why he's on this list of the top 52 creative leaders. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's top 52 creative leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We got videos coming and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.